Well, hello and welcome to another video by Fitness Technology Services. So today's another service call video. I just changed this walking belt just recently, and I didn't amp test it. It's the our new non-maintenance belt. You're not supposed to have to put any lubricant or anything on it. So I just wanted to compare this with the traditional belts. So we're just going to run it 3 miles an hour like I always do. Up to 3 yet? Yep. Alright, so 1.13, pretty normal. So now I'm going to walk on it. I'm sure most of you know the numbers by heart by now. Anything over 7's bad, 8's bad, 4's okay. So let's see what's happening. Oh my, I didn't even know I'm on it. 1.95, 1.90, 1.8, that 1.6, that is absolutely fantastic amp readings. So the new maintenance-free, don't have to lubricate it, don't have to do anything belt, works absolutely perfect. You can see this belt online. I'm going to put it up on my website at Fitness Parts Pro. But that's really as good a numbers as you can get. Alright, thanks, and I'll get another video out to you.